Hey, it's Elaf, and this time I'm going to be showing you how to create AI product videos, and this time on some jewelry products. And so I've shown you how to create product photos with jewelry pieces, and now we've got a new update on the platform. It lets you create 8-second long videos, and the quality is 720p. So you can pretty much just get started uploading your product and create a prompt. And I'll show you step by step how to do this on a few different types of jewelry pieces. There are a couple ways for you to create these AI product videos. You can either upload an image that you want to be animated, you just want it to start moving, and that's one way. And the other way is to just upload a product image, and then without it having a specific background, you just prompt it from scratch for it to create the video that you want to see. And so I'm going to show you how to do the latter, just uploading a product photo and creating a video from scratch based on your prompting. Would love to know if you have any questions, if you have any thoughts, if you have any comments or feedback, let me know. And I'm going to get straight into it. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you how to get started with jewelry AI product videos. First, I'm going to show you how to generate these 2 product videos of this infinity necklace in both landscape and portrait mode. Here, I'm on the background remover tab. I can upload a photo or use one I uploaded previously, which would be in my assets. Then I'm going to click the green generate product photos/videos button to send it to the third AI product photos and videos tab. Once it's in the third tab, you can see the default mode is images, so click on the video mode. Now I'm going to type in my prompt. In this case, I want it on a 20-year-old mixed race woman wearing this exact necklace, showing upper body. She looks up from the ground to the camera and smiles, hair in a low neat bun, soft natural lighting highlights the pendant, neutral background, and then click the green generate button. It takes a few seconds to load, then a video is created. Click play to watch it. I like this first one, but it's really zoomed in, so I'm going to regenerate. I like how this other one turned out, so I'm going to click the button on the top right hand corner to save it. They don't always turn out perfect given the nature of AI, but you can use it to get a general idea of how it looks and regenerate with a different prompt if necessary. Next, after I watch it, I'm going to go onto the platform and select the portrait mode, then generate using the same prompt so I can have a portrait version of a similar video. And then I'm going to save it when I like it. Next, I'll show you how to do the same thing to get these videos in landscape and portrait mode for these earrings. I'm on the background remover tab like before, select the earrings in my assets or upload one to remove the background, and then send it to the AI product photos and videos tab by clicking the green button. On this tab, the default mode is images, so select video, then I'm going to type in the prompt straight away. Here I want to see a close-up of these exact earrings on a 50-year-old Swedish woman, side-facing pose, bright lighting, black studio background, focus on elegance and detail, zooming out slowly, woman looking down and laughing, then the camera zooms out slowly, and click generate. It's good to emphasize you want this product and any other details you think are necessary, since the AI will be replicating the product and some subtle details are not always picked up on. I like how this video turned out, so I'm going to download it to my computer and watch again. Before I move on, I'm going to click portrait mode to generate another video in portrait mode. Feel free to edit the prompt if you want to change anything, but I'm going to keep it the same. I like how this video turned out, so I'm going to save it. Finally, I'll show you how to create these 2 videos of this bracelet. Just like before, we're starting on the background remover tab, upload a photo or select one you've uploaded before, and then click the generate product photos/videos button. It gets sent to the third tab, which is on image mode by default, so click videos, then type in your prompt. In this case, I want a 30-year-old Thai female model, soft smile, bright white room, cropped arm shot, resting off a white table with this bracelet catching soft light. White backdrop, high-end look, white roses in the background, looking at her bracelet, then up at the camera and click generate. It takes a few seconds to load and then a video is generated. I like how this video turned out, so I'm going to save it to my computer and generate a portrait video like before. You can see the AI has replicated it pretty well, which is great. And then I'll save. So that was a tutorial. I hope it helped you get an understanding of how to start animating or making videos of your own product. Feel free to let me know if you have any specific questions, like I mentioned, and play around with the prompts. Make sure to play around with different ways. It doesn't always work the first time, and maybe it needs a few different generations or a few different types of prompting to get it to work perfectly and to look exactly how you want. But it's really exciting how quick the tech is moving and how AI is moving in general. And so I hope this was able to help you. And until next time, I will see you in the future.